Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can loop a video on YouTube on your mobile phone. So the meaning of loop is to keep a video replaying itself when it ends on YouTube, something like that. So it's very much simple and easy. In my previous video I showed you guys how you can do it on a PC. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do it on a mobile phone. So this is a video of mine I just posted. So let's say you want to loop it, just tap on, let me play it like this. Good. So on here you just tap on the settings here. Good. So at the settings you move to additional settings here. Good. So you can see loop here and you can see the sign here. It means replay it, the only video. So now let me turn it on like this. So you can see the loop is on, video loop is on. So in this case, when the video ends, it's going to automatically replay itself like that. Yes, it's not going to move to up next or the next video. It's just going to replay itself. So that's it on how you can replay or you can loop a video on YouTube on your mobile phone. So if you are new here, do all to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.